Guess what? It's done. Come on, have a look. I can't believe it's done. 5 months. Council approvals, shed building, plans, back and forth, back to council. It's done. I'll cue the montage, I'll do some commentary over the top, and I'll see you soon.
So the build's pretty straightforward. All they're doing is putting together some of the pre-cut material, assembling the wall, and then you'll see them propping it up in a second. So you see them creating the second wall. So the reason why they're creating it on the ground is that you can't really get behind to fix all the screws in because there's a fence on either side. You see them putting insulation in, cutting it all up, cutting the 5-degree angle for the pitch, and then they'll put it up pretty soon. So again, pre-installing, putting it together on the ground, and then you'll see one of the guys actually putting on the gutter. So the pitch is actually coming down to that left-hand side of the screen there. You can see the gutter coming up. Still yet to put a downpipe in to connect through the drainage, connect to the house. See them tacking down all the roof insulation on the top, and then shortly you'll see them putting on all the roofing on top of that insulation. So there's only a few screws that hold the insulation in, just to stop it blowing away as they put up the sheets, and then it's held down by the sheets. So we have all the insulation in the shed. See the guy just actually put up the sheets and just cut them to that 5-degree pitch for the roof, and they're almost finished. So you see them just putting on the edge capping pretty soon, and then they're pretty much done. finishing off some of the trim, and then you see them putting in the trim around the garage door. And at this point, I kind of saw them starting to pack up. So you see me slowly coming out, having a look at what's going on here. I go grab them and they realise that they actually forgot to put in the window. So you see them coming back to put in the window now. The window gets cut out pretty quickly and then installed, and then a bit of sealant put around the side. So let's have a look at what it looks like at the end, eh?
And just like that, we're done. I can't believe we're here. Still have so much work to do. Kind of reluctant, but at the same time super excited. Epoxy floors, I want to do all the walls, I want to do the ceilings, probably plywood. I'll paint it all white, so when I do put the LED lights on the ceiling there, it kind of reflects everything and it makes everything nice and bright. I've been sitting down here in this little old man chair with my coffee every morning this week, working on some plans, measuring, do a few more little adjustments. But I think I have it all worked out. So if you want to find out what the next steps are and how I go about it, like and subscribe and stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. And thanks for tuning in. See ya.